help you?
Oh yeah, hi. I'm looking for a simple air conditioner for my house.
What features are you looking for?
That have electricity savings and the size is not too big. Yeah.
Let me show you some type of portable air conditioner that follow the features that you want. Okay, this is the first product, Sharp Air Cooler. Detail of this product is watertight with a capacity of 6 liters. 3 type of fan speed, namely low, medium, and high. The dimension of this product is 306 weight, 745 height, 375 depth, and weight is 8 kg. The product consumption is 75 watt. The warranty for this product is 1 year. For this brand, the price is 299 ringgit. The next is Kind Air Cooler. Details of this product is water tank with a capacity 4 liters. 3 type of fan, speed medium, same like the sharp one, low, medium, and high. The dimension of this product is 295 weight, 655 height, 325 depth. The weight of this product is 7.5 kg. The power consumption is 65 watt. The warranty for this product is for 1 year. And for this kind brand, it costs 199 ringgit. According to the characteristic that you want early, this kind brand meet its characteristics. So what do you think?
That's right. King brand is more in line with the features that I want and the price very reasonable with all the details that you explained to me. So I want this brand for my house. I want to buy this. Yeah.
Well, we'll take care of everything for you. Which color choice do you want?
Um, I prefer white color to look more beautiful and elegant.
Well, take a seat for a while. We will take it for you.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, this is the warranty letter for your signature. The price is 199 ringgit. Do you want to pay cash or card?
Um, I want to pay by credit card. Credit card. Okay. Credit card.
Okay, this is your receipt and card. Thank you for buying in our store. If there any problem, you can call our number listed on the receipt.
Okay, thank you for your kind service to me. What is going on with this air conditioner? It's not. But it's not cold.
Hello, electronic store here. Can I help you?
Hello. I've been using this air conditioner for about 5 months, and there are a lot of problems with this thing. Does that still have a warranty for me to change a new one or a solution to fix it?
Can you give me the code number
Oh,
of the air
sure.
conditioner?
001712.
Thank you. Is this Mrs. Noradibah?
Ah, yes, I am.
Okay, thank you. You still have warranty card for 7 months. I'm sorry to hear that. Can I know what your air conditioner problem is?
At first, this air conditioner not blowing cold air. What the cause of this happening?
I think a dirty air filter can further freeze up the condenser unit and limit the cooling power of your aircon. Changing your air filter every month will help your air conditioner unit blow cool air.
Oh, I got it. Other than that, the AC refrigerant leak. What should I do about this?
For this issue may be because
Mm-hmm.
of low efficiency, coil freezing, damaged compressor, and each other. Also, to reminders, you need to inspect your air conditioner regularly for any refrigerant leaks.
Oh, I see. And lastly, sometimes electrical control fails. I think I use it with caution. May I know why?
Maybe you frequently turn on and off your air conditioner. The fan controls and compressor can wear out. A connection problem can prevent the motor and compressor from turning on. You should check the electrical connection to determine the issues.
Okay, I understand. I will check the electrical connections to determine this issue. But what about other problem?
Later we will send you technician to fix your air conditioner problems. If that is still can be fixed, we will change a new one. By the way, what's your phone numbers?
Okay. 010 446 4610.
Okay, we will do our best to fix this as quickly as possible.
Thank you for your help in clearing this up. Okay, no, thank you. That would be all. Bye.